Hey guys, Shay again, and here is my review on this really cool outdoor play set for kids. Now this thing comes in big pieces, but it's really simple and easy to actually install. Here is a piece of advice. This section right here, the silver pieces, you will need to make sure you put a little pressure in. I basically use my power drill to really push it in, because the screws allow you to make your own holes. That's what I didn't like, but it was super easy after I did it myself. Now installing this is super easy. You would need to hold these two pieces up to assemble that part there, and all the other four pieces as well, and then you just go right ahead and add on the doors and the bottom piece here. These are all just poles. The poles goes all the way down through to the very bottom that you put on this to hold the poles in place. You also have this really cool removable top here. It has two layers here, as you can see here. I decided to take this off because when it rains, it has a really big wind happening. I want to take this off so it doesn't blow anywhere. So you do have this to go on the side here, and then you have Velcro that also holds it in place right here. So it gives you a lot of areas to secure this down to the ground. So for me, to make it even more secure, I went ahead and got some actual rope, and I tied it on the end here, and then I staked it into the ground here on my yard. So this allows me to make sure no matter what the weather is, it will not blow anywhere. You do have two sections here that has holes that allow water to go through. So as you can see here, it rained recently, so we have water. Not so much in this one, but it is water in that one that I would have to get rid of. But I may actually just drill a hole in there too to allow water to escape when water does happen from rain. But yeah, I do really love it. My kids love it. It's really simple and it's really cute. The shade really does help. As you can see right now, it is sunny, but you do have that shade because of the actual removable top here. And yeah, this is a really great option.